Today is December 22, 2002. We are going to do a regen on a Paccar MX-13 engine using Davie4 software. Right here, I'll click on it. Wait for the screen to load up. And now I just have to put my username and password. Once the username and password is in, the screen will start loading up. And then you're gonna have to click on the identify vehicle, the big top button. And then it'll start starting the application. Then this window will pop up and you just have to click yes. And then you're gonna see the screen. And what we want to do is a regen, so we want to go in towards testing. So we're first going to do a vehicle check. You're going to see the screen. DTC overview. You see there's 2 codes showing up right now. And once you start clicking on these, you can select them, and then now I just click clear all. Key off the ignition.
Key off the ignition.
And this window will start popping up. Okay, please wait. Then this window, key on the ignition, will start popping up. The screen will go back. And then once you click this truck icon right here, this window will pop up, and now you can see the other options that were grayed out earlier. And I'm gonna go towards the toolbox and go to testing. I'll click on that. Once I go there, I can scroll down. As you can see here, there's different parts. Right here, under power source and under emissions is diesel particulate filter, otherwise known as DPF. You can click on that. Once you click on that, more options open up, and the first one is regenerate the DPF. You click on that, and then you go down here, it starts up, you click on the start test procedure. And then this warning sign will pop up. Just click the arrow. And it will just say please wait, and it will start to say instructions on what to do, such as turning on the key ignition or turning off. And in order to do this, first you have to make sure all the entry conditions are fulfilled, as such as the coolant temperature has to be greater than 140. Right now it's 139, so it's slightly a little cold. The temperature needs to go more up. There's this yellow icon, right? If you click on that, you can use the arrows to change it. Change this to a green check mark. The only thing that's going red right now is the engine operating rate and the coolant temperature. We're just gonna raise that up and then start over. With the engine on, now it's in idling. You see the arrow pop up. You click on it, and it will ask you, would you like to run the DPF regeneration when monitoring? DPF regen takes 45 to 60 minutes. When pressing yes, the DPF regeneration will start with a delay of 15 seconds. So I just click yes right here and test in progress. Then the screen will start to pop up. And the regen will start in after 15 seconds, so we just have to wait. You don't tell all the other values. Now we just click on view monitor. That's how it's going so far. After the 45 minutes, it is now done. Start clicking next. Right here it says the test procedure is finished successfully, and I click on the right arrow, and that's it.